Hello guys, and welcome back again to another video. In this tutorial I will show you how you can write a blog using ChatGPT. So most of you guys have these blogs, websites, or working as a bloggers or article writer as freelancers. Well, that might take some time for you to write all these blogs for your customer or your client. So you could use ChatGPT as like a helper for you in order to finish your blogs. So now what you are going to do is, for example, let's go to ChatGPT first. So ChatGPT first, here it is. Now what I will need you to do is think about any subject. So for example, let's talk about word cup. So let's say hi, let's check if it is working. Okay, it answers us. That means it is working. So write me a blog about word cup. So let's take it space. So now as you can see, it will start writing us the word cup blog. You can give it also some keywords that you want to add. You can give it some for example, what do you call some how much lines do you want it to be. Here is now how much paragraph do you want it to be. Yeah, it depends on what you want it how do you want your blog to be. And as you can see, it will write a whole blog for us from scratch, and it is not copied from any website. It is 100% like not a plagiat, blog. So as you can see, it will keep writing for us until it feels like it's done. So let's keep watching it. And yeah, you can even do it's done now, so you can even do any subject you want. It doesn't need to be a word cup subject, it can be whatever you like. So for example, let's try another one. Write me a blog of 100 lines about coffee. Okay, let's try this. And let's see. Sure, here's a simple blog about coffee. Now it will start writing for us until it completes 100 lines. So that might take a lot of time for it to be done. So yeah, it depends on how much lines it will write for you and a lot of stuff. But the best thing, guys, about this but it is 100% free. So you must try it out, guys. It is 100% free, and you can make tons of money using only this bot. So yeah guys, thank you for staying up till now, and thank you for watching. Bye bye.